Welcome back to our ADU series in La Mesa, California. Today we are getting ready for one of the biggest milestones of the project, the foundation we started building, the steam walls, forms, digging the footing pads and installing the underground sewer line. Before we pouring the concrete, we need to build the forms for the steam walls. These forms hold the concrete in a correct shape and size. Everything must match the approved plans because the foundation supports the entire build. If the forms are not built correctly, it can delay the project or cause inspection problems, so try to avoid that. Next, we start digging the footing pads. These pads support the weight of the foundation and transfer the load into the soil. Every footing must be correct depth and width based on the engineer plans. This is one of the most important parts of the foundation. At the same time, we start digging for the sewer trench. The sewer line runs from the ADU all the way to the connection point on the property. The pipe must have the correct slope so rainwater flows properly. Taking time to install everything correctly now helps avoiding expensive repair. The project is moving forward every day. After the forms, footings and underground plumbing are complete, we'll be ready to inspect before pouring concrete. This is very exciting stage because soon we will be able to actually see the foundation of the project. Thank you for watching. If you're planning to build an ADU in San Diego, make sure you follow this series from start to finish. I'm sharing every part of the construction process here in this ADU project. Feel free to like and subscribe this video, and I will see you in part 5. Peace.